Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a movie map in iMovie. You go down to iMovie right there. You click on backgrounds right here. Then you click on blue marble globe. That's the one I like. You can use any one you want. You drag it down into there. Then when you double click on it, it gives you where it's flying from San Francisco to, let's say, New York. New York, you type it in there like that, and you find, let's go Buffalo, New York, that's good enough. You can actually rename it right there if you don't like the name. If you just want to put New York, close. Then when you fly, it flies to there. If you want to shorten it, you want it shorter, you just drag it over to there, and now it's just a quick 2-second clip. Boom, just like that. Then you go up to File, Share, down to File, and you save it. It's called, I just did one for Israel, so ignore that. Then I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'll replace the one in Israel, and then it's rendering right here, and it will show up on my desktop, and then there it is, show. And so there it is right there, and then I would just simply airdrop that to my iPhone, and then my iPhone's on my iPhone, and I drag it into iMovie on my iPhone, and I'm done.